Good afternoon. We are currently at the second day of India's Food Manufacturing 2026, and currently we are at RANS FPS stall, and we are having with us Mr. Gurinder Singh, CEO and co-founder of RANS FPS. So, how are you, Gurinder sir?
Good. And
Sir,
you?
fine, sir. So, how are you getting traction on the first 2 days of the India's Food Manufacturing right now?
As expected, the first day was comparatively slow, because it was cold. People have to come out of the city, so it takes a little while. Today, as you can see, is buzzing with activity. It's full. It took me so much of time to catch up with you.
Yeah,
Just
sure.
shows that we were busy. So we are very happy with the quality of people that have come, and we are very happy to be here.
Coming to the introduction, I just want to introduce RANS FPS to you. RANS FPS is actually marketing three big companies in India. One is Big Tem, another one is Raytech, and third one is Lumipure.
In fact, let me interrupt. There's another fourth company. They have not participated.
Yeah.
It's a Dutch company. It's called ZTI Smart Machines. We'll talk about that later.
Coming on to the Big Tem product portfolio, this company is providing a lot of solutions to the food processing industry, such as drying, cutting, freezing, and another one is Raytech, which is providing product inspection equipments to the industry. So, coming on to the product portfolio of RANS FPS, sir, what type of drying solutions you are providing to the industry right now, sir?
So we are, besides doing French fries and other lines, corn lines, we are also into dehydration, the drying solutions, as you said. So we are into drying of fruits, vegetables, you name it, and anything that can be dried should be dried, or the same thing can be converted into an IQF. The pre-processing line
Yeah.
can go into drying or into IQF,
Individual quick
individual
freezing.
quick freezing also. And also for dehydration, we can put fruits, vegetables, we can put herbs, things like that can be done from the Big Tem line.
Coming on to the IQF section, the individual quick drying section they provide a lot of solution to the vegetable and fruit processing industry. So, what type of solutions you are providing to vegetable and fruit processing industry, sir?
So once you are talking about vegetable processing in terms of IQF, we start from the beginning. We start from sorting, grading, cleaning, washing, brushing, and after that segregation, then chopping, washing again, centrifuge, and just before the IQF section is where we stop. We are not into IQFs, but the entire pre-processing line till just before the IQF is what we do.
Okay, so coming on to the Raytech product portfolio, you have just told that we have the inspection system for the food processing industry. So you are detecting foreign particles in that one. So what type of X-ray system you have from Raytech?
So basically these are laser, camera, X-ray based machines. What the human eye can see, the camera can actually check the defect. The machine can be trained to find out what is the defect. You can choose what to keep, what not to keep. You could be having fruits, vegetables. We have two different camera systems. One is at the beginning, wherever you have raw material coming in, it can be inspected there. So anything that is bad, which should not be processed, should be eliminated at the earlier stage. They always recommend that at raw material, you should put in the best input.
Okay.
We sort that. Once you've produced your product, at the end of the line, you have to see what is the best product to put into the market. So with our camera and laser systems, you can put in the best. जैसे French fries है, French fries आधी जल गई है, अब कस्टमर को तो नहीं दे सकते, या पीछे से हरी आ गई, हरा आलू था, वो आप कस्टमर को दे सकते. So these lines will actually clear all that. Same is for spices, same is for many other products where there is raw material, उसका कोई कंकर आ गया, कोई पत्ती आ गई, उसको कैमरा
Foreign particle detection, that's been done by
Raytech.
Raytech.
One more point, after your system has been packed, and if it's closed in a jar or in a tin can, you can still X-ray that to examine कि बंद डब्बे के अंदर अगर कोई contaminants आ गई हैं, वो भी check हो सकती है.
So, food-induced disease rampant across the globe. So, contamination in food is a challenging task for the food processor. So, the RANS FPS has introduced Lumipire here. So, that is actually a contamination erector. Means they are eradicating the contamination from the food. So, just tell more about that one, sir.
So, Lumipure is basically a path-breaking technology. For the first time, they've come into India. They're an American company, and what they do is they develop the LED to such a high level that it gives you visible light, but it still works like a UV. That
Okay.
means human safe light, which is actually meant to sterilize the atmosphere.
Yeah.
It sterilizes or neutralizes all fungi, bacteria in the air or on surfaces.
Okay.
That means if there is a process line, उसका जो contact area है, that can all be cleaned out.
Okay.
Even after जब कपड़ा मार देते हैं आप, कुछ ना कुछ रह जाता
You
है.
are doing sanitization.
It is like a sanitization, but it's the air and the surface, and the raw material can also be disinfected.
So it can be added in the processing line itself.
It can be added right here, even as we speak.
Okay.
जहाँ हम आसपास खाना खाते हैं, रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं.
Okay.
अगर रेस्टोरेंट पे आदमी ने कपड़ा मार दिया, उसके बाद भी कंटेमिनेशन जो रह गई, इट डज दैट. योर प्रोसेस रूम्स, योर रॉ मटेरियल, आपका जब रॉ मटेरियल क्रॉस कर रहा है
It is actually providing the clean room solutions.
क्लीन रूम सोल्यूशन ऑल्सो.
Okay.
एंड फॉर फिनिश्ड गुड, फॉर एग्जाम्पल बर्फी है. अब बर्फी का शेल्फ लाइफ सपोज 7 days है. उसके बाद कंटेमिनेशन जो है उसके ऊपर जो बैठी है वो फ्रक्टिफाई कर जाएगी, है ना, वो पनप जाएगी. बट इफ़ यू पुट द यूवी the Illumipure lighting, that shelf life can go on for 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So you have done a great service to the entire industry by not letting things go bad.
Coming on to the beverage part, sir, the beverage industry is one of the most promising segment for the food processors right now in India, and a lot of innovations are being done in the beverage section. So can you just tell more about the Big Tem's product portfolio with respect to the beverage which you have?
So Big Tem is primarily into fruits and vegetables. So one of the verticals is also the beverages. But they are not clearly making beverages, but they are doing juices and purees. That can be bulk packed, that can be individual packed. They have their packing systems. So if they even make a puree, they will help you pack it. They are into gherkins. Gherkins is something जो India से बहुत export होता है.
Yeah.
So they are one of the largest suppliers of gherkin equipment in India for automation.
Okay.
Baby corn.
Baby corn.
Baby corn is packed in cans and bottles. That entire automatic filling process, the pre-processing process, is also available from Big Tem.
India, one of the largest agriculture country we have. So these equipments are actually aiding post-harvest processes. So sir, coming on to the policy part, post 2014, India's food processing domain has expanded with a massive CAGR. You must have seen. So the current government is supporting the food processors a lot, with a lot of schemes such as PLI scheme for food processing industry, export incentives and all. So sir, how do you rate the current government in its food processing policy, sir?
So we are very grateful to the current government. They have done an amazing job. They have really, shall we say, I remember that I heard a statement that I heard from Mr. Modi saying Delhi, India should be the kitchen capital of the world.
Yeah.
तो हम जो फूड यहाँ ग्रो इतना कर रहे हैं, we should not sell it just as food. Once we process it, it has actually a multiplication effect. Gives jobs, gives prosperity, brings value addition, and we are still able to feed the rest of the world. So the current policy, the current government is extremely, extremely conducive to this industry taking a leap in the future.
On the one hand, RANS FPS is reducing the post-harvest losses for the food processors, and on the other, it is also doing a great service to the food processor by just scaling up their productivity, by increasing value of their products. So thank you, sir. Thank you very much for this nice interview. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me.